Here I've got ALCATEL A3 and let me show you how to enable safe mode on the following device. So at first tap on power key and hold it for a while, and then click on power off until you see this notification. So reboot to safe mode. This super mode will disable all third-party applications that you've installed. They will be restored once you reboot again. Okay. And now just wait a couple of seconds, your device will be rebooted into the safe mode, so you will be able to use it without all the third-party apps. And as you can see now, we are in safe mode. The notification is located here. You can use your device without all 30 apps. And then if you would like to go back to the standard mode, simply tap on power key, hold it for a while, and select restart. And that's it. As you can see, you're now back in the standard mode, so you can use your device to its fullness with all applications included. So thank you for watching, please subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.